standing stout on three pillars of strength, endurance and resilience. We are Manesar Steel Processing India Private Limited, one of India's finest steel cutting companies, have been the main driving force behind Maruti Suzuki after the auto major hit the benchmark million unit level of production in 2009. With a mission to empower Maruti Suzuki with global standards of quality, cost effectiveness and delivery capabilities, and to cope with growing demands of cars in the Indian market, the Manesar Steel Processing India Private Limited company was set up in 2010 by Tokyo-headquartered Metal One Corporation to assist Maruti Suzuki in their expansion efforts and help meet their large-scale automobile steel sheet requirement and therefore steer ahead their growth story.
MSP is cross-cultural joint venture between India and Japan. Our staff are working hard to integrate both culture into best mix for our daily business, creating new value throughout supply chain to Maruti Suzuki by cross-working with Metal One Group company and shareholders.
Apart from Metal One Corporation, the other three stakeholders of Manesar Steel Processing are Suzuki Motor Corporation, Maruti Suzuki India and JFE Shoji Trade Corporation respectively. Located in IMT Manesar in Gurgaon, this processing unit, 31,500 square meters of area, today boasts of Japanese machinery.
This is main equipment of MSP, oscillate share. It is imported from Japan and maker is Kyowa-san along with support of Showa-san. The main feature of this line is trapezoid shear, by which we can process angular plank, trapezoid plank and straight cut sheet. For automobile industry, trapezoid cutting is essential for its better yield rate and various design requirements. This line operates with high speed and autopiling. That is most advanced version in the world.
More than 88 employees and an annual capacity of 150,000 tons. In addition to that, state-of-the-art equipments like OSL line, slitter, auto shear, manual shear, UML and RML are major highlights of the Manesar Steel Processing, which is proof of their productivity and technical expertise. Let's take a look at the various processes in which steel sheets are cut and shaped. Cut to length. After the mother coil is loaded, it is straightened and leveled into sheets of required sizes. In this unique process, the coil is opened, the material is flattened and cut into desired length and shape. A few of machines deployed in this stage are uncoilers, pinch roller, leveler, shear, stacker with high precision in allowance, slitting line. In this process, the coil is cut across its width into hoops of smaller width as per requirement. Slitting involves dividing a single wide hoop of metal into a number of narrower hoops. The width of the slit coils are determined by the requirement of the customers of the finished product. Based on these widths, the distance between each slitting cutter is accurately decided. Shearing machine. Shearing is a process of cutting or shearing a sheet into predetermined shape. It involves cutting of a large sheet into smaller pieces required by the customers. Our auto and manual shears two-line setup features an output capacity 2.1 metric ton per hour and 0.9 metric ton per hour respectively. Whereas the one-line slitter features a magnanimous output capacity of 20 metric ton per hour. Our one-line OSL maximum output capacity is 15 metric ton per hour, whereas UML and RML maximum output capacity is 4 metric ton per hour and 3 metric ton per hour, respectively. After the steel coil is cut into required sizes and shapes to be used later in different automotive parts, they are all bundled and dispatched to different destinations and locations. Maruti Suzuki, Bell Sonica, SKH, Caparo Maruti and JBM are a few names who we are proud to partner with as they chart new courses and unlock bigger avenues in the Indian automobile industry. Our future plan is really simple: to emerge as undisputed leaders in steel processing and to become the one-stop shop for servicing and sourcing for Maruti Suzuki's large-scale steel requirements.
Our dream is to become a #1 value center in India.
We are now a proud recipient of the prestigious ISO 9001-2015 certification, which is our hallmark of quality and trust. So, rest assured that every product rolled out of our unit is 100% genuine and meets internationally recognized standards. This certification is our acknowledgement of delivering quality, service and performance across all our offerings. Here's a glimpse of our threefold approach to corporate philosophy. Global citizenship, where we strive to build and nurture an ecosystem where we can work and live with people from all over the world. Honesty and virtue, where we ensure that all our processes and delegations are absolutely fair, transparent and genuine. Aspirations and creativity, where we lead the way to bright and prosperous future in our pursuit of the ideal market and distribution. Our mission and vision is to become the front runners in high-quality steel processes and ensure growth and prosperity for all our stakeholders and employees. We aim to provide value and excellence across all our offerings and develop long-term relationships with every entity we cross paths with. At Manesar Steel Processing MSP, in any circumstances, employee welfare and safety never goes unattended.
We at MSP are working committed to safety with aiming zero accident and working in a healthy workplace environment at MSP.
We are a certified safe workplace and team outings, morning exercises, sports day, mock drills, contests and many more fun and interactive sessions are part of the routine to ensure holistic growth of all employees.
Here, there is so much for everyone that I am always excited to go to work.
This company helps unlock the creativity and productivity of every employee.
Whatever you like, whatever you are passionate about, I can assure you that MSP is a great place of work.
We strongly believe that people make a company, and therefore it's equally important to give it back to the community. Therefore, we regularly conduct blood donation drives, tree plantation workshops, cloth distribution drives and many more CSR initiatives and position ourselves as more than just a manufacturing unit. As shapers of steel, we envision a future and strongly believe that in order to chart out the next course of progress, power and prosperity for a nation, it's important for everyone to face the heat. We are Manesar Steel Processing and we stand for
Endurance.
Manesar Steel Processing, strengthening India one sheet at a time.